This the remix. Doja.
Day and night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I let you had and known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aquia for those of you who are new, and for those of you who aren't, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another wig installation video. I'm going to be installing this hair from alipearlhair. They were kind enough to send me this wig to review, so I'm going to install it for you all and let you all know my thoughts and opinions. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay y'all, so the rest of the video is going to be a voiceover just because my camera was dying and I'm a bit shy. I feel like I'm more personable over voiceover, but we're working on that. So once again, this wig is alipearl's 22-inch straight chocolate brown wig. It's a 13x4 lace frontal and it's 180% density. I was so excited when they reached out to me to do this collaboration because this color, you guys, is so pretty. Like, I wanted to make my own wig doing this color, but I just didn't have the energy to dye it. So I'm so happy that they reached out at the perfect time. Like, you guys can't tell me, like, this color is giving against my skin. Like, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna be installing the wig now. As you guys can see, I'm cutting my frontal into 3 sections. You guys know every girl on YouTube loves to work in sections. That's just the easier route, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna be using my Got2b glue in the black bottle. I don't know if you all seen my last video, but like I mentioned before, this is what I use to lay down my wigs. I don't use any type of adhesive or any other glue. I just don't see the need for it because I don't sleep in wigs. So yeah, that's what I use and it works perfectly for me, especially when I use it with an elastic band. So I'm not gonna really be explaining the installation process just because I feel like it's the same thing as my last one and I don't want to be too repetitive on here, but I'm just gonna talk about the wig in general. So I did pre-plug this wig before installing it. I plucked a lot out and the wig still looks full, so that alone says a lot. Besides the color being on point, this wig is extremely soft and very easy to work with. I ended up curling the hair later, but you guys will see that in the later clips. I feel like this is a very low maintenance wig for someone who just wants something different but something attainable. I know when we are installing wigs on our own, we don't want a hectic process, so I'm really glad that this wig was easy to install. The lace was very thin. I'm not sure that it's HD. I'll double check. I'm pretty sure it's not, but even without it being HD, it was very thin and it was easy to create a nice melt, so that's a big plus. The only thing I will say that is if you do choose to order this wig, I would definitely recommend you ordering a higher density. I'm pretty sure they have 200% density, so I would definitely go ahead with that. Don't get me wrong though, the 180% density is a perfect natural look, but for girls like me, I like my hair on the thicker side. Like, I really like that big hair look. I'm a bit extra, so I always go for a little bit more extra when it comes to my looks, and having that 200% density would just really top it off for me. But like I said, the 180% density works fine as well. It's a perfect natural look for those who want to achieve that kind of look. I feel like I said look a million times. I'm so sorry. But besides that, I feel like this wig is perfect, especially for us brown and dark skinned girls. But don't get me wrong, any skin tone can wear this color. I'm pretty sure it'll look amazing on all skin tones, but it just hits different on the darker complexion. I'm trying to tell y'all. But that's all I have to say. This wig is a no-brainer for me. I definitely feel like you guys should check it out if you're interested. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and wrapping y'all up, because one thing about me, if I start talking, I'm gonna keep talking, and I know y'all don't want to hear all that. But yeah, I'm just gonna have you guys sit back and watch me install and style the remaining of the hair. Feel free to leave your thoughts and comments in the description below. Let me know what you all think of this wig. Let me know if you guys will be purchasing. That's all I have to say, so just sit back and enjoy the music. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, alipearl, for sending me this beautiful wig. And lastly, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
This the remix. Doja.
Day and night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I let you had and known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches that to roll with. You got to keep it focused. You wanna say so.
Call them Nestle, they crunchy, man. Ride them like a cowgirl, I'm a country fan. Ain't talking medicine, but I made a morphine. Ever since I put the cookie on quarantine. Like a relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know they place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with myself, at one with it. I can't let that goofy nigga come dumping it. I told boys, shoot a shot, bust guns in it. I mean, I know that you feeling me, I could tell that you feeling me. Acting like you was deading me, boy, you really be killing me. How you digging me, aching me, boy, you gotta be shitting me. Is you like a comedian, you gotta be kidding me.
Night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I that you hadn't known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches that to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so?
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Probably why I got him quiet on the set like zip. Like it, love it, need it, bad. Take it, own it, steal it, fast. The boy stop playing, grab my ass.
Acting like you shy.
Shut it, save it, keep it pushing while you beating round the bush and knowing you want all this woman.
Never knock it till you try.
Yeah. All of them bitches hating, I have you with me. All of my niggas saying you mad committed. Realer than anybody, you had them pretty. All of the body, I need ass and titties.
Night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I that you hadn't known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches that to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so? Night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I that you hadn't known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches that to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so? It's just principle, baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way it moves. Oh, you write your name, I can do the same.
that you lost without me. All my bitches feel like exhausted. Don't need fucking with you, feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like only girls know that. You gon' make me need bills, know that. Car tipping with your friend, you ain't even had man lying on ya. You know that. Got me a bag for the brick, you know that. Control the soul, the pace of my throw back. All this ass for real. I'ma make you feel fantasy with a puppet. It's all I can give you.
Kiss me more.
We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose.
It's just principle.
Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way it grows. Darling, boy, you're actually, I can do this thing. Ooh, I love to take. Ooh, la, 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 la. Boy, you're actually, I can do this thing. Ooh, I love to taste. Oh,